Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the 4-digit user code in 2026 on your Schlage FE595 log in 2026. So first of all, before you can change the user code, you will need the log's 6-digit programming code. So this code is usually printed on the original user guide, which can look something like this, or it can be included with the log's documentation. The programming code is different from the 4-digit code that you use in order to unlock the door. So make sure that you have this particular code ready before continuing. Now for the Schlage log, you can go through this particular list and here you will find the programming codes available. Now, in order to replace an existing code, you need to start by removing the old one. So in order to do it, you just have to simply, first of all, enter the program code by using these buttons on top of your keypad. Afterwards, you just have to simply press this particular Schlage button. Then you need to press 2 and then you need to start entering your 4-digit user code twice. Now the log should confirm that the code has been deleted. So once the previous code is removed, the old code will no longer unlock the door. And once you have done this, you need to now start adding the programming code again. So in order to start adding the programming code again, you need to first of all simply press the programming code. Then you need to simply press the Schlage button available. Now after entering the programming code and after pressing the Schlage button over here, this time in order to add the code you need to press 1. After pressing 1, you need to start entering your 4-digit user code. Then you need to enter the same code a second time in order to confirm it. Now when the Schlage button flashes green and when it gives you the confirmation beep, it simply means that the new code has been saved successfully. So you can choose a code that's easy for you to remember but difficult for others to guess. So that's how you can basically do it. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.